When your clothes require extra special care with a more delicate touch, Janet Davis Cleaners is your convenient one-stop destination for all your dry cleaning needs. Janet Davis Cleaners has been servicing Detroit residents since 1938 as a family-owned and operated business, making us more than your local cleaner. We're a part of the community. From the finest designer suits to couture pieces and even everyday items, our odor-free, environmentally friendly dry cleaning process is expertly calibrated, strong enough to clean, but gentle enough to keep your delicates safe. Even hard-to-remove spots and stains are easily lifted right out. After cleaning, we professionally steam and press every article of clothing, ensuring that the clothes are ready to be worn. And our automated garment management system keeps track of your clothes, so everything is returned to you. It's no wonder we're proud members of the Dry Cleaning and Laundry Institute and the Michigan Cleaning Association. Delivery is available throughout the Metro Detroit area, or stop by our store on iconic Woodward Avenue in Berkeley. Trust us with all your dry cleaning needs and experience the Janet Davis difference.